So today we will here study first topic of 12th, that is electrostatics. So as we know the electrostatics, what does it means? The electrostatics constitutes of electro and statistics. The statistics means something that is stationary, and electro means the study of charge, electricity related terms. So let's see. So charge, what is charge? First basic thing when we will study this topic, first basic thing is to know that what is charge actually. So charge is nothing, charge is an intrinsic property of any matter. Anything that you see your surrounding constitute of matter, all the things are matter. Matter is made up of atoms and molecules. So charge is the intrinsic property of every matter. Just like, take an example, your gene is your intrinsic property that you have inherited from your parents, that you cannot change. Same as the charge is the intrinsic property of every matter. So when we go through charge, we will say that what is the smallest charge possible. So the smallest charge that exists independently, that is electron. That is the smallest charge exists independently. So by saying that, a question is arises that can be a more smaller than a charge than electron. Its answer is yes. But independently, electron is the smallest charge that exists. Before it, more smaller than it, many charge exists, that is quarks, that you will study in your higher studies, but they do not exist independently. They exist collectively. So the smallest charge that exists is 1 electron, or an electron. That's value is 1.6 into 10 to the 19, and coulomb. Coulomb is the unit of charge. Okay, so let's go ahead. So conservation of charge. What is the conservation of charge? So let's take an example. These are the isolated system. So isolated system have their conserved charge. Their charge could not be changed. That you can say that if their charge is 5 coulomb, then this charge cannot be reduced to 4 coulomb or cannot be more than 5 coulomb. They can have negative charge, they can have positive charge. वो अपने अकॉर्डिंग एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं, बट ज्यादा नहीं हो सकता ना कम हो सकता है, कंजर्व रहता है. तो आप सम करोगे जो कलेक्टिव चार्ज का, तो वो सबका सेम रहेगा. दैट इज कंजर्व. दैट इज द लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ चार्ज. दैट चार्ज कैन नॉट नाइदर बी क्रिएटेड नॉर बी डिस्ट्रॉयड, बट इट कैन बी ट्रांसफर्ड. It can be transferred but cannot be created, cannot be destroyed. So going ahead, there is a new topic that is called quantization of charge. So as you see the quantization of charge, that is something related to quantity, the quantization. So before studying it, let us take an example. When you go to buy a toffee or when you go to buy chocolates, you do not say to shopkeeper that give me 3.5 toffee, give me 4.5 toffee. You will say amount, you will say quantity, not amount. And when you will go to buy like sugar, you will say that okay, give me half kilogram of that, not give me x number of parts of sugar. That is quantity. You will take it in a quantity. In similar fashion, electron is also quantized. They cannot be found as that 1.5, 2.5 like that. They will be quantized. They can be negative, they can be positive. These are the charges, but they cannot be unquantized. Like they cannot be divided into subparticles. That is 1.5. They not exist in that. They always exist in the interval of multiple of number, whole number, like 1, 2, 3 natural numbers.